Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Update Error 0x800f0989 using simple steps. First, open Settings on your computer. Go to System, then click on Troubleshoot and open Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let it complete the scan and apply any fixes it suggests. If the error is still there, the most common cause is extra language packs. Go back to Settings and open Time and Language. Then click on Language and Region. Under Preferred Languages, look for any extra languages that you do not need. Click the three dots next to that language and select Remove. If the Remove option is grayed out, it means that the language is currently set as your display language. Change your display language to another option, like English. Then try removing the language again. Confirm the removal when asked. After that, you need to repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. In the window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. This will fix any corrupted system files. If the update still fails, you can install it manually. Note the KB number of the failed update. Open your browser and search for that KB number on the Microsoft Update catalog. Download the correct version for your system and run the installer. These steps should help you fix the error and complete your Windows update successfully. Thanks for watching.